Welcome back to another episode of Cosplay Cooking with Jess. Today I am dressed as Fiti from Moana. I have on a blue skirt to kind of represent the ocean, and obviously all of the green in her look. And today we're going to make a food inspired by her alter ego, Teka. If you're not aware, Teka is a lava monster demon. So in honor of that, we're making molten lava cakes. Fiti becomes Teka when Maui steals her heart, so I'm hoping to steal your heart today with these molten lava cakes. Let's get started. We are preheating the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. We've buttered 4 ramekins or just custard cups that we're going to put the molten lava batter in later. First thing we need to do is get half a cup of butter. I'm putting it in a big microwavable glass pourable cup. And then we have 4 ounces of baking chocolate. I'm just gonna throw that in with the butter, and we are going to melt it in the microwave for about a minute. Just kind of stir it occasionally, and then heat it up again in like 30-second intervals or 15-second intervals until it's totally melted. I'll be right back when it's done. I also tried to do some green makeup. You see I used my green eyeshadow as highlighter, and then green eyeshadow from the Lizzie McGuire palette, of course, from ColourPop. Just thought you'd like to know. Here is the butter and the chocolate after a minute. Just kind of stir it up and see where we're at and keep heating it as needed. So this is actually all melted just after the minute. After I stirred it all up, it completely melted and looks good. So we'll get on to the next step, stirring in the powdered sugar. We have a cup of powdered sugar. I'm gonna toss that in there and just stir that in. Maybe I should show you guys that. Oh, nope. Here's how it looks after I melted in the powdered sugar. Next, I'm going to whisk in 2 egg yolks and 2 whole eggs. This is cooled a little bit, but definitely want to whisk it in when you put it in so that the eggs don't cook. But that'll be nasty, scrambled eggs and chocolate. Here's what it looks like with the eggs put in, kind of like a snotty, chocolatey mix. And then finally add in 6 tablespoons of flour. Stir that in. Here it is. Looks a bit more like a batter. And I'm just going to divide it equally into the ramekins. And it says bake it about 13 to 14 minutes. I usually check it at 10, depending on how molten you want it. It'll depend on how long you want to bake it. If you want it more cakey, cook a little longer. If you want it more runny, cook a little less. Just check the temperature, make sure the eggs are cooked. Don't want to give you any salmonella or anything. So I'll show you what it looks like after they're in the ramekins. Here they are, ready for the oven. I'll see you when they're done. Since the lava is ready, I decided to change into more of a Teka look since we got the hot magma food. Here is the finished lava cake. We'll dig in there. Look at that, that's perfect. And it's gonna be really hot, so I have to blow on it a lot. Excellent. And I got chocolate on my teeth again. It's excellent. We make this recipe all the time. We've had the recipe for a long time, so I don't know who to credit. My mom's cookbook. My mom. I don't know who made it, but it's just on a handwritten piece, so if you're the creator of the recipe, thank you. It's the best molten lava cake ever.
What can I say except you're welcome?
Super easy. I encourage y'all to try it. I'm gonna go finish it. Have a great day. Okay, no chocolate now. I'm gonna steal your heart with some molten lava cake. So easy.